Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change the password for your Microsoft Surface Pro X. And to do this you'll need to open up the Start, go to the Settings, here locate the account. Now go and look for sign in options. Go for the PIN, change PIN. Here you need to enter your current PIN. And now enter new one. Click on OK to save that, and the provided PIN master requires you to be more advanced, but in this case let's go with something else then. And click on OK, the PIN should be changed. And that's it for this video, hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.